Hi, my name is Steve Ritter, the founder and CEO of Taikun, and we've built an agentic AI platform to help you autonomously troubleshoot and operate your equipment. The problem we're trying to solve is that the oil and gas industry spends billions each year on IT systems and machine learning platforms to monitor their environments, yet they still have billions of lost dollars in revenue each year due to unplanned downtime. That's because these systems, while great at finding problems, stop there once a problem is discovered. That's when a human has to get involved, and from that point, it's a slow, expensive process. So that's where Taikun comes in. Our AI software can read the alerts and alarms that your systems generate and act as virtual engineers on behalf of your team, doing some of the same work that they would do. Things like downloading data, troubleshooting to figure out what the problem is, production optimization, writing reports, etc. The value, though, is that our AI engineers never sleep. They work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, can operate at the speed of light, and can cover tens or thousands of wells simultaneously, all for pennies an hour. So when a problem is identified and solved, the AI engineer can also write a report to tell you exactly what the problem was, what the fix is, and can even take corrective action remotely. Things like changing the PSI settings on a valve, changing the pump speed, or even water flow injection rates. Best of all, through data virtualization, there's no major forklift upgrades needed. Our systems automatically integrate with your current systems you've already invested in, making your data and your systems autonomous day one. In our first year of operations, we've landed pilots with companies of all sizes because they all have the same need, which is they need to figure out ways to not only use AI to cut costs, but reduce downtime and streamline operations. For instance, with NOV and Exxon, our AI engineers will be helping autonomously operate and troubleshoot some of their newly brought online CO2 capture and storage systems to not only reduce the downtime, but increase their revenue through increased carbon tax credits. And a midstream provider in the middle of Texas has told us that they spend up to 6 months with their human engineers after a new well is brought online, randomly guessing and troubleshooting parameters in order to figure out how to get it stable. They're hoping to use our AI to cut that time in half and cut the cost in half. And we even have a stripper well operator who spends hours each month manually reporting his production data to the Texas Railroad Commission, and they're going to use our AI to simply take a picture of his handwritten notes and automate that whole process, taking what was hours of his month down to minutes. And when his engineers are on site, instead of having to record a problem and then wait an hour or 2 or days to figure out what the solution was, they can simply click a button in the mobile app, and the AI engineer will not only tell them what the issue is, but how to solve it, and instantly order parts or dispatch a person. So at Taikun, we've realized that the true key to efficiency is that monitoring and machine learning systems aren't enough. It's AI and action that matters. So if you'd like to learn more, please come see us after. We're right over there. Thank you.